I'm going to show you how to copy all your scenes from separate files into one file. I know that some of you at the moment are creating one scene per file, and that's okay until you come to the end of your project where you need to package everything up into one file and export it. So what I would like you to do today is to follow this simple process so that you can copy everything into one file. So I'm going to go File, New, and I'm going to make sure it's an ActionScript 3 document and hit OK. So this is now untitled. This is going to be the file where all of those final scenes are going to end up. You can see over here I have my scene panel showing. If you can't see your scenes panel, then go into Window and you'll see Scene down towards the bottom. If we turn it back on, you'll see that it appears here in this side panel. Yours might also be a floating scene, which is okay. If you want to though, you can drag and drop it and dock it into that space like I've just done so. So these are two files. These are our good old News Ahoy animations. So hello, welcome to News Ahoy. Yes, I'm a bit over this now, but I'm going to use it anyway. So we're going to copy this as scene 1 into untitled 1. So what do? First of all, let's make sure we can see all our layers. I've dragged my timeline up to make it the maximum size possible. Now I'm going to click and drag to select every frame across every layer. Very important. Now right click and copy frames. Now we jump into our blank document and right click on the timeline, paste and overwrite frames. So you can see we now have, hello, welcome to News Ahoy. We now have the scene imported, and if we go into our library, all of the assets have been brought over with it. Now what we'll do is at the bottom of our scene panel, we're going to create scene 2, add another scene. This is where our second file is going to come in. So we've come into our second file. Now let's do the same for this one here. This is obviously the file which didn't have the eyes in it. Hello, welcome to News Ahoy. Hello, so we'll notice when I bring it in that it will definitely look different to the other scene. Once again, make sure you can see every layer and your entire timeline. Click, drag, select the whole lot, right click, copy frames. Now we jump back into Untitled 1. You can see that we are in scene 2, which is where we need to be. Right click in the timeline, paste and overwrite frames. So this is how we composite all our work together from separate files into a new file. And then I can go File, Save As, and we can call this Media Arts Final. When we export this, now that we've saved it, you'll see that scene 1 with the eyes will lead straight into scene 2. It will be an automatic transition. So we go Control Enter or Command Enter. We'll see scene 1 and then straight into scene 2. Hello, welcome to News Ahoy. Hello, welcome to News Ahoy. Hello, welcome.